Which is elastic material? Nylon. Which is the thermoplastic material? Vinyl polymers. What is the maximum percentage of stars of its original length allowable for elastic materials? 300%. What is the ratio between the change in dimension to its original dimension of the substance? Strain. Strain is equal to delta L by L. What is the unit of strain? No unit. Strain has no unit. What is the ratio of change in length to original length? Linear strain. What is the ratio between lateral strain and longitudinal strain? Poisson's ratio. What is the symbol is used to express change in length? Delta L. What is the ratio of stress, load and area? Which force acts on rivets? Shear force. Tensile force, compressive force, shear force and bending force. Which type of stress? Shear stress. What is the formula for bulk modulus? Volumetric stress by volumetric strain. Which law states that within elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain? Hooke's law. What is the name of the point? Yale point. Limit of proportionality, elastic limit, ultimate load, factor point, Yale point. What is the term used for maximum stress attained by a material before rupture? Ultimate stress. What is the ratio between the ultimate stress and working stress? Factor of safety. Factor of safety is equal to ultimate stress by working stress. What is the ratio of ultimate load to area of original cross section? Ultimate stress. What is the point B denotes in the stress and strain graph? Elastic limit. What is the ratio of shear stress to shear strain? Modulus of rigidity. What is the ratio between stress and strain? Young's modulus. Which force acts on crankshaft? Torsional stress. Which is the thermosetting plastic? Melamine resin.